In this video, we're going to be covering the non-return flap replacement, part number E5133 for the clinical vacuum separation tank. Locate the non-return flap that requires replacement. To begin, locate the red knob and turn it to the off position. This will ensure the system is powered down. Shut off the drain valve from the tank. Remove the two blue clips. Remove the non-return flap. Retrieve the replacement non-return flap from your maintenance kit, part number E5133, ensuring it matches the specifications of the old one you just removed. Before installing the new non-return flap, check the direction of flow by the arrow indication on it or by the direction that the flap opens. Make sure the non-return flap opens in the opposite direction from the pump. Insert the non-return flap. Insert the blue clip. Insert the fitting and then insert the blue clip. Turn on the drain valve from the tank. Once the replacement is complete, power up the system by turning the red knob to the on position and ensuring everything is functioning properly. By following these steps to replace the non-return flap, you'll ensure the efficiency and functionality of your clinical systems. Thank you for watching.